So good morning. We're doing some frozen blueberries and yogurt here. This is somewhat keto. I'm using more blueberries than what I should be. Ideally, you want to use about half a cup of blueberries because they're fairly high in fruit sugars and whatnot. But it's, you know, if you keep it to half a cup, you should be within the keto specs. Here's our homemade yogurt that we make here at home. It's a thermophilic culture that we use. So I use mesophilic. I don't know what I'm talking about. I have to ask my wife. She's the expert. So we put that on there anyways, and yeah.
And it gives us a tasty, keto acceptable breakfast.
And so sometimes we'll put some nuts on this, some walnuts or almonds or whatever.
Yeah, real good for the brain.
Yeah. So it's also the yogurt that we use also is a probiotic, so it's good for your gut health as well too.
Mm-hmm. And blueberries also have plenty of antioxidants, and so it's really good for you. So yeah, berries are acceptable on keto. You still have to be careful with the amount you take because you have to watch your carb count if you're following keto. And so, and any fruit will have a certain amount of carbs in it. So blueberries will have about 9 for half a cup, 9 grams, and it is suggested that you stay around 20 grams a day of carbs for, if you want to follow keto. So yeah, but when you look it up, the one fruit that they do suggest if you want fruit is berries. So.
If you don't like the frozen berries, you could leave it in your bowl without the yogurt on it for like say 15 minutes or so, maybe 20 minutes, and then you can put your yogurt in afterwards. Or you can mix it all up while they're still frozen, and it sort of becomes kind of almost like an ice cream kind of a treat. You gotta kind of keep stirring it a little bit though, otherwise it'll all get frozen together and clump up on you. So then it seems like a real treat then. And you can see the color from the blueberries is going into the yogurt there. Huh? Hope you enjoy the video, because I'm going to enjoy this as much as I'm enjoying this. Bye for now.